Welcome to our roundup of the best water filters for your sink. Whether you're trying to improve taste, remove harmful contaminants, or simply stop buying bottled water, we've selected top-rated water filtration systems that combine performance, reliability, and ease of use. We'll break down each model's key specs like filtration stages, contaminant reduction, installation type, filter life, and maintenance to help you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal water filter for you. The first on the list is the Aquasana Under-Sink Water Filter. The Aquasana system is designed for homeowners who want long-lasting filtration, powerful contaminant removal, and great-tasting water straight from a dedicated faucet. This under-sink filter uses a multi-stage filtration process that combines activated carbon, ion exchange, and submicron filtration to remove up to 99% of contaminants like chlorine, lead, mercury, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and more. What makes this system impressive is that it does all this while keeping healthy minerals like calcium and magnesium intact, which helps maintain the natural taste of water. Installation is straightforward for an undersink system, and Aquasana includes everything needed, including a stylish, dedicated faucet that sits beside your main tap. The filters have an impressive lifespan of up to 800 gallons, or roughly 6 months, meaning less frequent replacements and lower long-term cost. The system also maintains strong water flow, so you won't feel like you're waiting forever to fill a glass or pot. Another major advantage is that this system does not waste water like reverse osmosis systems. There is no water reject line, making it more eco-friendly and efficient. The build quality is solid, and the compact design fits neatly under most sinks without taking up excessive space. Users often praise the noticeable difference in taste immediately after installation. Overall, the Aquasana Under-Sink filter is ideal for families who want serious filtration performance, long filter life, and a clean, dedicated drinking water solution without the complexity of larger systems. Next up is the QZN Under-Sink Water Filter. The QZN filter stands out because of its 5-year filter lifespan, bacteria-static filtration media, and maintenance-free design. This system is engineered for longevity, capable of filtering up to 50,000 gallons of water before needing a replacement. That is significantly longer than most undersink filters on the market, making it a great choice for people who don't want to think about changing filters every few months. QZN uses a 3-stage filtration process combining micro-sediment membranes, coconut shell carbon, and a special copper-zinc filtration media. This setup effectively reduces chlorine, heavy metals, bad taste, odors, and organic contaminants. The bacteria-static feature prevents mold and bacterial growth inside the filter, which adds an extra layer of reliability and hygiene over time. One of the best parts of this system is that it connects directly to your existing cold water line. There is no need to drill a hole for a new faucet, and installation is quick and simple for most users. The water pressure remains strong and the flow rate is not restricted, which makes it feel like you're using regular tap water, just much cleaner. Because of its extremely long lifespan, this filter offers excellent value in the long run. It is especially suitable for households with moderate to high water usage. While it doesn't remove as wide a range of contaminants as reverse osmosis systems, it excels at improving taste and removing the most common harmful elements found in municipal water supplies. Overall, the QZN Under-Sink filter is perfect for users who want a long-term, low-maintenance solution that improves water quality without frequent upkeep. Next, we have the Pure Plus Vertical Faucet Mount Water Filtration System. This Pure system is built for renters and apartment dwellers who need easy installation, affordable filtration, and compact faucet design. Unlike undersink systems, this filter mounts directly onto your faucet, meaning you don't need tools or plumbing experience to get started. In just a few minutes, you can have filtered water running from your tap. Despite its small size, the Pure Plus uses advanced carbon and ion exchange filtration that reduces over 70 contaminants, like lead, chlorine, mercury, and certain pesticides. It also significantly improves taste and odor, which is often the main reason people seek faucet filters. The filter cartridge typically lasts up to 100 gallons, and an indicator light tells you when it's time to replace it. The vertical design saves space and looks cleaner compared to bulkier horizontal faucet filters. It also features a simple switch that allows you to toggle between filtered and unfiltered water, which helps extend the life of the filter when you're doing dishes or washing hands. While faucet-mounted systems do not have the deep filtration power of larger units, they are incredibly convenient and budget-friendly, which makes the Pure Plus an excellent choice for small kitchens, temporary setups, or anyone testing water filtration for the first time. Overall, the Pure Plus faucet filter offers a quick, effective, and affordable way to enjoy cleaner water without any complicated installation. Next, we have the iSpring RCC7AK UV filter. The iSpring system is a serious filtration machine designed for people who want reverse osmosis purity, alkaline remineralization, and UV sterilization protection. This is a multi-stage under-sink system that removes up to 99% of over 1,000 contaminants like fluoride, arsenic, chlorine, lead, bacteria, and viruses. The reverse osmosis membrane is the core of this system, providing ultra-pure water. What makes this model unique is the alkaline remineralization stage that restores healthy minerals and balances the water's pH after filtration. The UV light adds another layer of protection by killing bacteria and microorganisms that may pass through traditional filters. Overall, the iSpring RCC7AK UV is a premium solution for users who want maximum purification, balanced mineral content, and advanced protection in one system. The last one on our list is the Brita Faucet Mount Water Filter System. The Brita faucet system is popular for its tool-free setup, trusted brand reliability, and space-saving design. It easily attaches to most standard faucets and starts delivering filtered water within minutes. This makes it ideal for small kitchens, rentals, and users who want a simple solution. Brita's filter reduces chlorine taste, odors, lead, and several common impurities found in tap water. The filter life is around 100 gallons, and a built-in indicator reminds you when it's time for a replacement. Switching between filtered and unfiltered water is easy with a small lever on the side. The compact design ensures it does not interfere with daily kitchen tasks, and the improved taste of water is noticeable almost immediately. While it is not designed for heavy-duty contaminant removal like undersink or reverse osmosis systems, it provides reliable, everyday filtration at an affordable price. Overall, the Brita Faucet Mount Filter is a convenient, budget-friendly choice for anyone who wants better-tasting water with minimal effort and installation. So that's it for the best water filters for your sink. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.